Let's speak English every day. Welcome to Aprend English. Dinner is ready. Dinner is ready.
Let's eat together. Let's eat together.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning, everyone.
Hello, how are you? Hello, how are you?
I am ready to travel. I am ready to travel. I am tired. I am tired.
I like this shirt. I like this shirt.
It is a beautiful day. It is a beautiful day.
The bus is late. The bus is late.
Where is the milk? Where is the milk? Excuse me, where is the bank? Excuse me, where is the bank?
Hello, who is speaking? Hello, who is speaking?
How much is this phone? How much is this phone?
I want a burger, please. I want a burger, please.
I wash my clothes. I wash my clothes. The weather is nice today. The weather is nice today.
I am looking for a book. I am looking for a book.
Can you take me home? Can you take me home?
Let's play together. Let's play together. I am exercising. I am exercising.
I am not feeling well. I am not feeling well.
See you later. See you later.
I need medicine. I need medicine.
I want a haircut. I want a haircut.
This is too expensive. This is too expensive.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and keep practicing English every day. See you in the next video.